Hi, my name is Eef Veldkamp and today I will be introducing the next article in the series called Towards Engaged Arts. And this article is called Engaged Arts Incorporated, and it basically wonders how engaged artists organize themselves, how they institutionalize themselves. And if you do such a thing, which is always in a way necessary in order to pursue practice, you also do it according to certain structures, certain systems which are familiar to us. We of course know democracy, we of course know how businesses work or institutionally wise, and many engaged practices, they kind of like adopt similar strategies. For example, many engaged practices, they take on the help desk structure. They go into a social system, a social structure, and they try to help there, so to say. And I basically wonder, how does this work within engaged practices? Is this a good course of action? Should there be different ways of organizing oneself, which do not just partake in the structure that's already present, but that kind of counter it in a way? So do enjoy the reading.